I've been thinking a lot about my impatience the last few days because I'm a very impatient person. Usually I want too many things too quickly, which then creates kind of pressure and anxiety, which leads to me feeling unsatisfied. And it's weird because I can have a lot of patience with other people, but usually not with myself. And I guess the amount of impatience we feel is usually very much related on the way we go through our days. For example, the other day, it was a Saturday morning. I got up early, went to the kitchen, drank half a liter of water, ate an orange, and directly went out to the beach to go for a swim. Afterwards, I was walking alongside the sea, enjoying the sun, sitting down after a while and just sitting and meditating, enjoying the sun rays that were shining into my face. And when I was sitting at the beach after the swim, watching the waves, listening to their sounds, obviously I felt very relaxed and very calm. I wasn't thinking about anything I want to do next. I wasn't thinking about my to-do lists. I was just immersed in the present moment, and that obviously felt very good. So I was asking myself, where is this impatience coming from? And I guess much of it has to do with this little device here. If you've watched one of my previous videos, maybe you know that I have a little bit of a, I would say, hate and love relationship with my phone. Obviously it's amazing, I love the social aspect, to be able to talk to people who live in other places or even in other time zones, but at the same time it's causing a lot of distraction, and it causes us to compare ourselves with other people the moment we see what they are doing. I think it's very important that the moment we wake up, we keep our mind free and empty. I think Jay Shetty mentioned the example that if you wake up in the morning, do you have 100 people in your room talking to you? Obviously you don't, but that's what's happening if you open your messages or open Instagram or whatever to see what other people are doing. I've seen somewhere else that we are like wired actually as human beings to spend time with more or less, or to get to know a maximum of 150 people. Nowadays you have access to 150 people, I don't know, in a few minutes on social media. For example, the other day when I went to the beach, I wasn't much looking at my phone. I went out, I did a physical activity, spent some time in nature, and it felt great. I felt very calm, and I didn't feel the urge to do anything different right now or to do anything quickly. I just felt more patient, which was amazing. I'm gonna put my hands to work. And that day, while I was walking around at the beach filming for this video, something very cool and interesting happened. Suddenly the lifeguard of the beach was approaching me and asking me what I'm doing. And he said, "You maybe shouldn't leave your bag alone at the beach because I've seen that you have very valuable things with you and they could get stolen." And I was like, "Yeah, thanks man, it makes a lot of sense." And he was like, "What are you actually doing?" And I told him that I'm filming a video about patience. So he was like, "Okay, that's interesting. Did you actually know that the word paciencia, which is the Spanish word for patience, consists of the two words paz, which means peace, and ciencia, which means science. So if you combine these two words, you get paciencia, which basically means the science of peace." And that totally blew my mind, because I've never thought about it that way. It makes a lot of sense. The more patient you are, the more peace you usually feel. I think it's time to go. How would having more patience improve the areas of our lives? I guess in my case, I would feel way less stressed. It's always when my ambition takes over that I'm rushing through things. Or if you think about relationships, how would being more patient with our partners improve the quality of our relationship? It probably would last longer, or maybe it wouldn't even end. Who knows? Same counts for our careers. It would be more focused on enjoying the process instead of being attached to the outcome and getting there. I guess you would enjoy our lives way more. Because usually if you hit your goal, you just get a short hit of dopamine and then it's gone the next day and you're just aiming for the next goal. I don't know about you, but this is an area I definitely need to work on. Right next to you, with silent sound. I gotta get out of town.